Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of budget keyboards with Cherry Stream keyboard priced at just $30. If you're tired of the chintzy keyboard that came with your PC and have some extra desk space, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's see what Cherry has to offer. The Cherry Stream keyboard is the quintessential economy model, available in white or matte black. It comes in both a full-size version and a 10-keyless version for those who want to save some desk space. The full-size Stream keyboard does take up quite a bit of room, but it makes up for it with its quality build. The main attraction of the Cherry Stream keyboard is its Cherry SX scissor switches, which provide a desktop version of a laptop keyboard. The keys have a shallow indent for your fingertips and touch each other, giving a precise and comfortable typing experience. The absence of loud clicking and springy resistance makes typing feel smooth and silent. The Cherry Stream keyboard features a 114-key layout, including 10 extra keys for added functionality. It comes with media controls for volume, play, pause, and track navigation, as well as keys to launch the calculator, web browser, and email program. While it lacks anti-ghosting and N-key rollover, the keyboard does offer programmable shortcuts through the Cherry Keys utility, making it versatile for different tasks. The base Stream model comes with a 5.9-foot USB Type-A cable, providing a reliable and maintenance-free connection. While there is a wireless version available for $49.99, the wired option ensures plug-and-play operation without the need for any software. In conclusion, if you have more desk space than dollars available, the Cherry Stream keyboard is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. Its Cherry SX scissor switches provide a finger-friendly typing experience, and the build quality feels far superior to cheap standard keyboards that often come with PCs. So, if you're ready to upgrade your typing experience without breaking the bank, consider the Cherry Stream keyboard. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. See you next time.